In 1984, Chevrolet introduced a newly redesigned K10 pickup truck that turned heads wherever it went. With its square-edged, bold styling, this full-size pickup exuded rugged capability. Under the hood, buyers could choose between a range of impressive power plants, from an efficient 4.3L V6 to a brawny 5.7L V8 that delivered 210 horsepower. This gave the '84 K10 excellent acceleration and towing power. The redesigned interior was more comfortable and refined than past models, with an impressive level of standard features including air conditioning, cloth bench seating, an AM/FM stereo radio, and a comprehensive set of gauges that allowed drivers to monitor all aspects of truck performance. Safety was also improved with new halogen headlamps and an energy-absorbing steering column. With its strong engines, comfort, safety, style, and functionality, the 1984 Chevrolet K10 pickup was a solid Truck of the Year contender. This classic truck has stood the test of time and remains popular at automotive shows and on the used market to this day, thanks to its legendary durability, power, and old-school style. The 1984 K10 was an important evolution in Chevrolet's pickup truck legacy.